Every year we get together as a community to conduct this meritorious day. So we will have a lot of people who are beneficial and benefit from this meritorious day to share in blessing and also merits equally. So this year we have few people who are taking this main responsibility and sponsorship for this meritorious day. Especially Vajira Manatunga, Anuradha Lena Patiranagi, Parushi Manatunga, Kumudita Chandrasoma, Prabhalena Patiranagi, Sayu Chandrasoma, Janit Chandrasoma, Niranga Vikramaratna, Senut Chandrasoma, Satin Chandrasoma, Nipuni Chandrasoma, as well as all other well-wishers, members, devotees of our temple.